Hey guys, this is Tarek. Today I am talking about Microsoft Excel, which is most popular spreadsheet software in the world. Today's tutorial is about wage sheet. That means how to calculate wage for individual person. Here the given data is overtime rate 30, normal rate 25, labor hour 8. Here I took 5 individual people's labor hour overtime and I now calculate wages of individual people. So first I use if formula for calculating wages. Logical test, that means labor hour is greater than labor hour, so that labor hour into normal rate plus overtime into overtime rate. If it falls, then labor hour into normal rate, then bracket close, entered. So the first person's wage is 150 because his labor hour is 6 into 25, 150, and he has no overtime, so his wage is 150. Then in the same way we calculate second person's. Logical labor hour is greater than 8, then 8 into 25 plus overtime into 30. If it falls, then 8 into 25 close, entered. Third person's, if logical test, labor hour is greater than 8, then 8 into labor hour into 25 plus overtime into 30. If it falls, then labor hour into normal rate, then close the bracket, entered. Then the fourth person's wage is if labor hour is greater than 8, then labor hour into 25 plus overtime into 30. If it falls, only labor hour into normal rate 25, then close the bracket, entered. And last one, if labor hour is greater than 8, then labor hour into 25 plus overtime into 30 overtime rate. If it falls, then normal labor hour into normal rate, then close the bracket, entered. So this is the formula and simple way to calculate wage for individual person. Thank you.